Hey, what's up you guys? This is I, Mr. Sang, with some more Lollipop Chainsaw, as you can tell. Hope you guys been enjoying with me, my sexy cheerleader. So we're about to get started, so let's do this up. So how you guys been? You know, it's been a while for me. Been doing some other things. It's just telling me. And we're going to do the OBannon Farm. But I'm gonna first change my costume.
Welcome to my bedroom.
I'm gonna put on that striped bikini, I think. Yeah, just go with the striped bikini.
Okay then.
Alright, so let's do this up. I gotta say right now, this stage is not one of my favorite stages, so if I die, don't blame me. Seriously. I'm actually pretty terrible at this stage. So. Moo. Oh, sorry.
I think it's some sort of farm. I bet any minute another one of those stupid dark purveyors is gonna show up, totally bumming our worlds. Don't you think, Nick? 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 Where are you?
Right here, Juliet.
What happened? I saved you!
Oh, damn.
I was feeling so ineffective, just being ahead and all. I thought it would be better to just go for the gusto. You know, get undead, the whole deal.
No! How can this be happening?
Come here, baby. You know you want this. Time for some loving.
Watch out! I can't stop it!
Juliet?
Wow.
Rosalind!
Who?
My little sister!
She's got a
She's
bus.
also a freaking zombie hunter?
Hey, Juliet! I came to save you! Something's wrong with this bus! Oh, it's really irritating! Is that a new purse? Wait, it's your boyfriend! He's a decapitated head? Fuck me! That's the coolest thing ever! Ah, I almost hit a bird! Look out!
Holy shit. I'm so confused what just happened.
Hi, Rosalind!
Shit! Sorry, it's not my fault! This bus is fucked up! Rosalind, this is Nick! Wow, it's cool! What does the bottom of it look like? Can you see the spine sticking out?
Huh.
Yuck!
I don't know if that was me
Awesome!
or like
It makes
something
me throw
outside.
up.
Yeah, nice meeting you too!
Ah! It talks! Ah! It scares me! And I love it!
Your family's kind of, energetic, huh?
Do you smell that? Ugh. Something fishy is going on.
We're at a farm.
No way, this is all totally normal.
Ah! The brakes aren't working! No! Ah! Ah! Hey guys, don't worry! I'm cool! I've got it all under control! Shit!
Oh my god, I can't believe she just did that.
Oh, fuckballs, I almost forgot! Happy birthday, Juliet!
That was
This doesn't seem right.
I guess we should
That's
follow
unique.
that bus, huh?
huh.
Wow, Rosalind must have seen this on my Amazon wish list.
Amazon.
There. I can shoot your head with this.
What?
How would she know that she needed that? That makes no sense. Wait. Unless she planned it.
Wow, this is the old...
Huh. So let's set the stone.
Plant them crops. Cut the grass. It needs water.
It needs water, boy.
And it's infested with zombies.
I'm sorry that if you hear me sniffing a little bit. I'm kinda a little bit sick. So you know, there are times where I'm not gonna talk really, but
Now it's mine.
you know, what do you want me to do? Get some coins, man. Gotta get them coins.
I just so happened to wear my zombie fighting underwear today.
What?
Sensei Morikawa said wearing cotton underwear with little teddy bears or hearts is best for doing battle. He'd make me wear them to every class.
I'm so creeped out right now.
She's wearing underwear right now in a bikini. I don't know what to say about that. But you know. But yeah, I had some exciting news, you guys. Let me just say it right now. That I just got monopolized. I'm going to get monopolized so I can have that custom thumbtacks look. So
Shit muffins! I can't get
after this playthrough, after I get done with Lollipop Chainsaw, I'm gonna start up my custom thumbtacks and stuff. Fucking come on!
Zombies are so ugly.
Oh, I hate this part so much. I'm stuck at aiming, as you can tell.
For real.
I'm almost out of bullets. Come on, come on. Oh.
Hey,
Let me,
retarded zombies!
let me hit that one guy.
Rude.
There we go.
Wait, no! Ah! Why? This is awful, but hilarious.
She's kind of weird. A little creepy though. But yeah. Just to say,
Robin's all right.
We better go help her, Juliet.
Awesome.
yeah, go help her. But yeah, I'm going to start up the thumbtacks. You hear that? Was someone saying just now?
This place is freaking me out. My not heart is beating 1,000,000 miles an hour.
That was weird. Did you guys hear that singing? I never noticed that until now. But yeah, god damn. What was I talking about? Just stop please, so I can remember.
Always appreciate it.
Cool, a headless body.
Hey, stick me on that sucker.
Whoa. You don't pull that neck. Nick.
Oh,
Oh, Nick, do that dance, please. Do it. Show me your moves. Okay, Nick, you need to get there faster, please.
You ready?
Okay, come on. Thank you.
And up you go, babe.
Hey, quit cupping a feel with your disgusto zombie.
Oh, why should we say that, you know? Come on.
How's the horses?
Ugh, another
Get
little
them.
bomber zombie.
There we go. But, oh yeah. So, I think I'm going to add my cell phone number, maybe, so I can get that unlimited
Fattest zombie I've
upload
ever seen. Oh,
time.
Sorry, I didn't mean to be insensitive.
But we'll see what I do. Damn it! Come on, buddy. But yeah, on my next playthrough, not this one. That's when I will start the custom thumbtacks. I know I keep saying this over and over, but I keep forgetting what I'm talking about. Oh, Nick, you're going to become fat, boy.
Bladberry is kind too.
Oh, you're so big now.
2, 3, 4,
What the hell?
6, 7,
Come on, boy. You can do it.
Yo, got this.
Sumo Smasher! Oh my god.
Everything up until now was kind of fun, but this is seriously creeping me out.
Alright. I got this. I don't got this. Get down, boy.
This place are gonna ruin the smell of cow shit for me forever.
Yeah, what the? Oh, just get down, please. I have no clue how I got that 3, really. But you know, what am I gonna say? I'll take it.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass, boy. Don't you know how to drive a U-Haul, boy? Come on, girl. Sorry. It needs to be planted.
I think it means like, hey, what's up? Oh yeah.
Goo goo jagoo. Yo, I gotta use that one day. Hey. Goo goo the jagoo. Yeah. How's that sound, baby? God damn. You. Stop punching me now. Oh, okay, okay. I won't get beat up now. Ooh. Just doing it up.
OMG.
I would have to reload right there. What the hell?
Wow, I really hope your sister isn't dead.
Why are you saying that, Nick?
Sorry.
So delicious.
So delicious. Let's just keep going, you guys. I don't need to stop. Let's do this up. So how you guys been? You know, it's been a while for me. Been doing some other things. It's just telling me. And we're going to do the... Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Mr. Sang with some more Lollipop Chainsaw, as you can tell. Hope you guys been enjoying with me, my sexy cheerleader. So we're about to get started. So, OBannon Farm. But I'm gonna first change my costume.
Welcome to my bedroom.
I'm gonna put on that striped bikini, I think. Yeah, just go with the striped bikini.
Okay then.
Alright, so let's do this up. I'm actually pretty terrible at this stage. So. Moo. Oh, sorry.
I think this is... It's some sort of farm.
I gotta say right now, this stage is not one of my favorite stages, so if I die, don't blame me. Seriously.